Hi there, students. Ergonomic. Ergonomic, an adjective. Ergonomically, the adverb. I guess you could have ergonomics, the subject. Okay, let's see. Ergonomics, this is the science of designing or setting things out so that people can interact with them in the most efficient way. Okay, so something that's ergonomic, it's easy to use, it's not tiring to use, it's user friendly. Yeah, it's efficient, you don't have to work too hard. This reminds me of the collocation, an ergonomic keyboard. So I guess the keys are are located in places that it's easy for your fingers to get to. Okay, so if something is ergonomic, it's efficient. Yeah, it's comfortable, it's easy to use. So somebody could go to an office and try and improve the ergonomics of the workplace. So if they're doing this, they're trying to design things or make things so that you get the maximum productivity and the workers are the least tired, because if your workers are less tired or it requires less work to do something, the theory goes that they do more work. So it's maybe a way to try to get the most out of your workers. So an ergonomic chair, it's designed to be comfortable. Yeah, it's designed to reduce fatigue so that you're not tired. So I think something that's ergonomic, it's user friendly, it's easy to use, it's efficient. Yeah, and I think ergonomics, this is talking about efficiency. Okay, an ergonomic design. Yeah, it's designed so that you use the minimum effort, yeah, and the minimum discomfort, and therefore you are more efficient. Yeah, ergonomic design in cars. Yeah, maybe one of the problems with things that are mass produced with ergonomics in mind, as long as you're a standard person, then the ergonomics works perfectly. But if you're too tall or too short or too fat or too thin, then ergonomics can be a real problem. Yeah, okay, so yeah, ergonomic design. Yeah, designed for comfort and efficiency. Okay, so yeah, ergonomics. But I think maybe humans try to have tried to make things ergonomic over many hundreds of years, because I think many of the traditional things we use, like a spoon, is very ergonomic, or a knife. Yeah, but this is a posh word too. Maybe an ergonomic knife, you mold the handle so it fits somebody's hand perfectly and the weight and balance is perfect. But that's the problem. What's perfect for me isn't necessarily what's perfect for you. Okay, so ergonomic, the design of furniture or equipment, which means it's comfortable and effective and easy to use. So ergonomic design features, something that's ergonomically designed. Okay, formality. This sounds a bit like a buzzword. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Informally, I would say easy to use. I'm not sure I would use it informally, maybe just use it semi-formally and above. And then as to origin, the origin of this is from the 1950s. Yeah, when I think this was first used. But it actually comes from ancient Greek. ergon, meaning work, and nomos, distribution. So the distribution of work, it's distributed so that it's easy to use, it's user friendly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ergonomics, ergonomically.